Hello. I'm at the Deaf Festival in Sydney, and it is Australia's largest deaf event. It's been an absolutely fantastic day and well attended by thousands and thousands of people, and not just people from Sydney, some from Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, the Northern Territory, Tasmania, and Canberra. Let's not forget Canberra. So many people around. The Deaf Festival has created such a good space for the deaf community to come together and celebrate our language, our culture, and our history. We also have so many businesses here, run by deaf people selling the products that they've made themselves, or other businesses and service providers. There is something here for everyone. It's fantastic to see so many businesses in the deaf community. A big thank you to all our store holders for making those reservations and showcasing your business, and thank you to community representatives, members of parliament, members of government, to witness the festival here in Sydney. It has been a fabulous day. I'm still full of excitement even though it is in the afternoon now. What we have coming next is the National Week of Deaf People, NWDP. That is happening next with some activities planned, so keep an eye on our website to look at what has been programmed that week. Thank you for watching, and it's been a great day here for the Australian Deaf community. Thank you.